How to change your marketplace location quick and easy. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply change your Facebook marketplace location using these simple and easy steps, and it is very quick. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the Facebook application on your mobile phone devices. Once you do that, you'll have that market option just at the top corner or the top middle of your screen, just beside that Facebook. So you have 4 to 5 icons. Just beside that play icon, there's this marketplace icon. Once you tap on it, this page opens up for the marketplace. So what you're gonna do is just you're gonna go into the location pin that has been above the photos or the ads that has been posted for the things, just below the category option. So once you tap on it, you just have to go and search for any other location. For example, this is my current location. I want to adjust it, or I want to place it somewhere else, or I want to change my location. Simply I'm going to write the name of it. For example, this is what I want to do. I have changed my location and hence it has been changed. So this is how you do it. This is how you change your Facebook marketplace location quick and easy. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.